Toyota Corolla?
Yep.
2015 Toyota Corolla. So yeah, let's get into this plastic upper fitting, like that. You need a 10mm socket to take the battery out, the battery hold down, and 10mm bolts right here. So 10, 10, leave that one on, take this one out, take the battery tray up, access these 10mm, squeeze these clamps, see if it twists real easy. No? Yes? Maybe? Monday morning, what are you doing here so early?
Killing time.
Killing time? That one didn't come off so easy. Grab a pair of, here. Fish that out. So we were gonna use a seal pick. Go between the plastic and the rubber booty. The booty hoe. And then just break the stickiness of it. That's a good seal. Watch you don't get squirted in the eyeballs. And that's it. Repeat the process. Bleed and fill the coolant system. Have fun.